forgive yourself for your past mistakes and start moving on with your life. Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. If you want to move on with your life, you will need to forgive yourself. Feel that relief. It's not easy, I understand that, but think about it and just count from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, relief. Forget about your past, start moving on, and understand that you are the strongest person who can move forward, who deserves a better life, who is forgiven for the mistakes he's done or she's done, because it's up to you and it's your opportunity to start living better life, better future. It's your mission that you forget the things that you've done wrong, because at the end of the day, we are all humans and we need to be forgiven so we can start fresh day. Look, you wake up every day, you sleep every day, you wake up another day. It's like a new birth, you know. It's the same thing with your mistakes. Forget about them, start moving on, learn from them, develop your better personality, and you will be able to have control over your life with being positive and understand that those mistakes just made you better, and you will really have an option to start living your dream successful life.